Hey y'all, Billy Thompson here. If you're looking to fix up your truck, figure out what that weird noise is, or just learn a thing or two about keeping your car running right, you've come to the right place. I keep it simple, straight up, and hands-on. Go ahead and give this video a like. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And let's get to work. Enough jawing, let's dive in.
PCM controls certain manual transmission functions. The position of the gear lever and the position of the clutch pedal are among these functions. On some models, the turbo inlet and outlet speeds are also monitored to determine the extent of clutch slip. The main function of the clutch switch is to act as a safety device to prevent the engine from starting when the transmission is inadvertently engaged. The PCM and other controllers also use the clutch switch input for various engine control calculations. These include automatic braking functions, as well as for hill hold implementation. DDC diagnostic code P0805 is set when the PCM or TCM detects incorrect voltage or resistance in the clutch position sensor circuit. The engine warning light or transmission warning light will also come on. Symptoms of malfunction. The main P0805 fault symptom for the driver is the illuminated malfunction indicator light. This is also referred to as the check engine or simply check engine light. It can also manifest as poor engine start. In some cases, the engine may not start even when the clutch pedal is fully depressed. In rare cases, there may be no symptoms at all. A stored code P0805 can cause various driving, safety and traction functions to fail. For this reason, this fault should be considered serious. Causes of the error. The P0805 code could mean that one or more of the following problems have occurred: a clutch position sensor faulty, improperly adjusted clutch switch, short circuit, broken cables or disconnected connectors in the clutch position sensor circuit, poor electrical connection in the circuit, blown fuse or fuse link, faulty PCM or other control module, also possible programming error. How to eliminate or clear fault. Code P0805. Some suggested steps for troubleshooting and correcting error. Code P0805. Inspect the wiring harness for damage, abrasions, breaks and short circuits. If the wiring harness is damaged, repair or replace it. Clear any diagnostic fault codes from the PCM and carry out a test drive to see if diagnostic fault code P0805 is returned. Check the clutch position sensor, replace if necessary. Check the fuse or fuse connection. If everything is okay, the PCM may need to be replaced and reprogrammed. Locate the diagnostic socket, connect a scanner and retrieve all the stored codes and data. Make a note of this information, as it may help you with the diagnosis later on. Delete the codes and test the vehicle to see if the P0805 code reappears after restarting. Voltage check. Check the voltage on the clutch position sensor input circuit. If there is voltage on the input circuit, press the clutch pedal and check the voltage on the output circuit. If there is no voltage in the output circuit, the sensor may be faulty. When voltage is present on both sides of the sensor and the pedal is depressed, check the input circuit to the PCM. If the input signal to the PCM is present, there may be a faulty PCM or programming error. If there is no input signal from the clutch position sensor at the PCM connector, disconnect all the associated controllers. Use a multimeter to check the resistance of all system circuits. If necessary, repair or replace closed or open circuits. It is a good idea to check the system fuses when the clutch pedal is pressed if error P0805 occurs. Fuses that may appear normal when first tested can bleed when the circuit is under load. Often, a worn clutch arm or clutch pedal bush can be misdiagnosed as a faulty clutch position sensor. In which vehicles is this problem most common? The problem with code P0805 can occur in a variety of cars, but there are always statistics on which this error occurs most often. Here's a list of some of them: Chery, Indy S, Chevrolet, Chrysler, Dodge, Fiat, Ducato, Ford, Fiesta, Focus, GMC, Canyon, Mercedes-Benz, Skoda Smart, Fortwo, Toyota, Volvo, Lada, Granta, Vesta. With fault code P0805 it is sometimes possible to find other faults. The most common are the following: P0806, P0807, P0808, P0809, P080A, P2872. Fault code P0805, clutch position sensor circuit malfunctions. In conclusion, understanding fault code P0805 and its implications is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's performance. By recognizing the symptoms and following the diagnostic steps outlined, you can effectively troubleshoot the clutch position sensor circuit malfunction. Remember, clearing the error code by hand can be a straightforward process if approached methodically. Always prioritize safety and consult your vehicle's manual for specific guidance. If the issue persists, seeking professional assistance is advisable to ensure your vehicle remains in optimal condition. Thank you for watching, and we hope this information helps you navigate any challenges related to fault code P0805.